Let me show you 3 tips how you can improve the sound quality on the Nothing Ear A. So first of all, you will have to open the Nothing X application. And first of all, I will highly recommend you to click on the settings icon and turn on the high quality audio mode. This is the LDAC audio codec. So once you actually turn it on, you will have to reboot your device and you will feel, you will definitely hear the difference in the sound. Next, you can also try to update the firmware like that. It often actually improves the quality. So as you can see right here in the description, we can find information that this specific update improved the call quality, enhanced prompt tone for low battery, reduced playback delay when we turn on AAC codecs, and boosted sound when using game mode. But the future updates could probably improve even the sound quality, so be sure that you actually keep your earbuds to the latest version. And when you do this, you can also go for the equalizer, and right here you can pick the different presets while playing the song, some music. Just pick this one that fits your preferences the best, but also you can set it manually if you want, so that's like really great option for you. And if you like bass, you can also use bass enhance, so you can turn it on and pick one of the level. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.